dedicate our presentation of performance to Richie Poumele. And Richie has always dressed all of our Taupous and Manaya for many, many years. And in July of this year, he was called to heaven. So that leaves us with no Richie, no gifts, no talents. And so this year, when we are so accustomed to seeing the Samoan attire worn throughout the world with a tuinga and the traditional wear, today we honor Richie by not wearing the tuinga. Richie's not here to dress us or to dress our Taupou, but they will be wearing and adorned in a very basic Samoan tapestry we call the ua. The ua is the bark cloth made by the mulberry tree. And this white-like bark cloth, before it's already drawn with the designs of the Samoan motifs and designs of the Samoan culture, what we call the siapo and the tapa, this is the piece that is done before it is drawn on. So, in honor of Richie, he is no longer here to dress us. We present our Taupou, with Richie looking down on us as we honor him to nowhere, no one can come close to dress as he did in our eyes. So ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Samoan Tauluma, presented by our 3 Taupous of Samoa this year. We'd like to present to you Eleni, Aloese, Lamatani, Cheyenne, Sotoa, Solia, and Rana, Sotoa, Solia. Ladies and gentlemen, the Samoan finale, the Tauluma. We'd like to dedicate this song. This song is to Kiki Hura Tahiti. This is for you.
Where we would like to